One day, Effie decided to take the lake route back home from school. Upon reaching the lake,
Yum yum! Those berries on the other side of the lake! Just looking so fresh and juicy!
but Mama had told me to never cross to the other side of the lake. What should I do?
Should I, just for some time, go and taste those berries?
Eager Effie walked into the lake. But lo and behold, she was stuck. An alarmed Effie screamed for help. Fortunately, a herd of elephants was passing by and could make out that Effie was in trouble.
We must help this little elephant. Pull that long rope hanging on the tree. Come, brothers. Let us make a chain by holding this rope with our trunk, and thus we can pull her out.
And the leader also instructed Effie.
Hold the corner of this rope, little elephant, with your trunk. Don't be afraid, we are here to help you.
And so they began.
Let us pull her out. Let us pull her out. Let us pull her out. And here is the little elephant.
And thus, with the effort of the elephants, Effie was finally out of the swamp.
Thank you so much, strong elephants.
And she also promised,
from now on, I will never ever disobey my mama.
Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
Say hello to your friends.
Hello friends.
In this episode, we will be learning phonics with Monami. And today, we will learn the sound of a new letter. But first, let us play a game of guessing the sounds. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now listen to the sound. Okay, let me give you a clue. This is a sound of an animal. A big animal.
Elephant?
Yes, very good. Okay, now listen to this sound. Another clue. This is a sound of a bird.
No, miss.
This is the sound of an eagle.
Eagle?
Yes. Now listen to this sound. Have you heard this sound before?
Train?
Yes, the sound of a train engine. Similarly, all these letters in the English alphabet have different sounds. Oh, look who is here. Letter E. Hello, letter E. Letter E wanted to say something. What is it, letter E? Thank you, letter E. Letter E has bought a basket for us. Monami, can you tell me what all things are there inside the basket?
Yes, miss. Egg. Envelope. Elf. Elephant. Engine.
Elk. This is an elk.
Elk.
Yes. Let us read these words. Egg, engine, envelope, elf. elk, elephant. All these words begin with the eh sound. Eh sound. And that is the sound of letter E. This is a capital E, an uppercase E, or a big E. And this is a small E or a lowercase e. Can you repeat after me, Monami? Can you repeat after me, children? Capital E,
Capital E,
big E,
big E,
uppercase E,
uppercase E,
small e,
small e,
lowercase e.
lowercase e.
Very good. Now let us practice the eh sound together. Let us say it loudly. Eh, 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 eh. Now let us say it softly. Eh, 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 eh. Now let us say it to each other. Eh, 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 eh. Now say it to your friends.
Eh, 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 eh.
Now time to play peekaboo with letter E. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, Monami?
Yes, miss, yes, miss.
Oh, Monami is so excited. Excited. The word begins with letter E.
Eh, eh, eh. Peekaboo is on the egg. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, peekaboo is on engine. Eh, eh, eh. Peekaboo is in the pen. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh. Where is it? I can't see. Peekaboo is on my elbow. Eh, eh, eh. Peekaboo is in the jam.
Very good. Well done, Monami. Now it's time to revise. Which letter is this?
Letter E. Capital E, big E, uppercase E. And this is small e or lowercase e. E is the name of the letter and the sound is eh, eh, eh.
Well done, Monami. And children, well done to you too for learning with Monami. In our next episode, we will learn another letter. Till then, keep smiling, keep sharing, and stay blessed.
And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye.
Bye, children.